G'day everyone, it's Chris O. How you doing? See how I always do the sides first of my niche. Oh, that one's a bit short. Let's try the other. That's better. I always do the sides, I cut my aluminium. I do the back first, put my aluminium in, sides, bottom, top. Same sequence all the time. And you always make sure that you've got glue, DIYs, on your edge to catch your aluminium. Like so. Where's a rubber hammer? Tap it into place. I just need to lift that up a tad. I could have done it 5mm longer, but no biggie because I've got wiggle room down the bottom. Let's just slide it up. That tape will hold it in place. See how I always leave a bit of a quirk? It's called a quirk. Because I go around that with silicone. And it makes a beautiful finished job.
Mum, I'm just going to get my granddad's room.
We've got a bit of a house full here. All the kids have come home to Mum and Dad's place. That's all the go these days. Good old Mum and Dad's place. Before I went home last night, I had a little bit of glue left over, and I was up a little bit higher by, I don't know, 15mm here, so I just filled it with glue in preparation for today. It's got a nice bit of slope on it. You don't want to give it too much though, because things can slide off. I want a milled edge. If you see me always doing renovation bathrooms, yes I do. I never do builders stuff. 2 reasons: they are not that good of payers, and they expect you to do it for nicks. Renovation is where the money is, not for builders. That's why you always see me doing renovation bathrooms. I stopped doing builders work years ago. Okay, where's a sponge and water? I'll have to get a sponge and water. Oh, that looks pretty classy, people. Pretty damn sexy. I'll come back to you soon on the next stage. See you soon. Yo, this is Chriso. Press that subscribe button. Smash that thumbs up. Make a comment. I love to see your comments and have everyone joining in, having their say, asking questions. That's what it's all about. We'll see you on the flip side. This is Chriso. See ya.